All these one are all the fruit that got spoilt in this house. All the fruit that got spoilt, and some of them are in the veranda. And my machine did not. I don't know what is wrong with this machine that it stopped working yesterday night. What's wrong? Oh. The only thing that I just did yesterday, after all the whole stress, I was so tired, guys. I abandoned everything in this kitchen. I went to go and warm food and eat. Warm my food. After eating my food, I went to go and sleep. Because they say body not be firewood at all. So it is not that I need to clear the trash. Okay. Now I've removed all the trash, put it one side. So all these plates now, I will put all of them inside here because I need space to work. I need space to work. Now I'm going to throw them. I need to go out and come back. I'm coming. I am back from outside. I went to go and drop the trash out there. So it is time for me to wash everything. Everything. They are not much shower. They are not much. I hope that tonight when I'm going to make juice, this thing will not disturb me anymore because I don't know what is this problem. This one is nice. Let me quickly run this paro. To hold things. Carving lead again is not a problem. Carving lead. That's why I don't use this thing. I love using whether my car. I don't know their names anymore. I cannot remember the names. Carved lead, yeah, carved lead. But it's because that I do not know where I kept mine. Disastrous. There maybe all these little villages in my states that is not too far from my state. Then I'm going to be doing it to vlog for you guys and all those stuff. I wish that it was the time that I travel a lot then. That I travel a lot. You guys should have seen a lot of things. Many years ago I traveled a lot. From one train to another. From one flight to another. Always on trip. You know. You get to see the doobie, you go with my baby. You get to see the doobie, you go with my baby.